Time for today's Global Financial News Minute. I'm Don Balarjan. An aerospace company is having trouble getting their revenue numbers off the ground. More in 15 seconds. We're featuring the #1 online health and wellness social community for people and their pets. Pazoo.com. Pazoo.com online health and wellness social community. Pazoo.com is publicly traded, symbol PZOO. Fourth quarter revenue for Toratel for its 3 months ended April 30th decreased by 23.7% to $2.7 million. Now, being aware of fourth quarter revenue and trailing 12-month news for public companies is essential because public companies are not required by the SEC to report trailing 12-month or fourth quarter financial data when they make their quarterly and annual filings. A constant look back at the previous 12 months of comparative data can give investors a more stable reading on the true health of a public company. For more information, please go to the website gfnn.com. I'm Don Balarjan. This has been the Global Financial News Minute.